Hey everyone, want to create AI movies with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to create cinematic AI movie scenes step by step. First, open the Pika AI website and sign in to your account. Click Create *** to start a new video project. Next, plan your movie idea before generating scenes. Think about your characters, locations, story, mood, and visual style. Now write detailed prompts for each scene. Include the characters, actions, camera movements, lighting, and cinematic style to help Pika AI create better results. You can start with text to video, or use *image to video if you already have character designs or scene images. Next, generate each scene separately and review the results. Creating smaller scenes can help you build a more consistent movie. Adjust settings like video length, aspect ratio, quality, and style to match the type of movie you want to create. After generating your clips, combine them using a video editor. Add transitions, music, voiceovers, and other effects to complete your movie. Finally, export your finished AI movie and share it on platforms like YouTube or social media. And that's how you create AI movies with Pika AI. With creative storytelling and detailed prompts, you can turn your ideas into cinematic AI videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.